One of my favorite things about the holidays is celebrating with the ones that you love. And what could be better than thinking of ways to include everybody in on the holiday fun? I think for me as a child, I loved being able to have the opportunity to order a Shirley Temple at a festive dinner. And I'm gonna help you make some of those same cherished memories with your own family with this delicious mocktail that we're about to make that everybody can enjoy, all with the help from Walmart Plus. Hi, this is Andrea, and this is You've Got This, the place where I share with you all my favorite tips and tricks on how to make things fun, fabulous, and affordable, all with a little help from Walmart Plus. All right, let's just dip right into this beautiful mocktail that I'm gonna make for you today. You're gonna love this. This brings up tons of childhood memories for me, and I hope this is something you can pass down for generations and your family as well. So we have some lovely ingredients here. We have these beautiful sleek flutes that I just got from Libby Everglass. Super affordable, and I love how beautiful they are, and they make the cocktail just feel a little more fancier. So first we're gonna do is we're gonna pour our cranberry juice right into the pitcher. And I love the cranberry juice because it's high in vitamin C, makes you feel a little bit healthy, and it has some tang. It's gonna add some yummy tang. Next is our Sprite Winter Spiced Cranberry. And this is what adds that zing. I love this stuff. It's so good. And I'm pretty generous with it. I'm gonna go pretty much halfway on the pitcher with this. And this is kind of like the magic sauce. I know that this is hard to get. It's a limited edition item. So it's really fun to make sure you take advantage of this during the holiday season with the help of Walmart Plus. Next, we're gonna squeeze some lime juice. And I love how convenient this is in a little squeeze bottle. We're gonna squeeze it right into this little dish right here because we're about to dress these ladies up. We're gonna pour some sugar, and this is some pure cane granulated sugar. Just easy to throw in your Walmart Plus cart. You might already have this in your pantry from some other Walmart Plus orders. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your flute, turn it over, and then you're gonna dip it in to your lime juice. Get it all ready to go, and then you're just gonna dip it straight into your sugar. She's getting all of her sparkles ready so she can be ready for the party. Let's see, voila, isn't she beautiful? Oh my goodness. All right, and now we're just gonna pour our cranberry lime mocktail just right into these glasses. Now we're just gonna add our lime because that is just our final touch to make these ladies look all fancy for the night. They look beautiful. Cheers. It's time to celebrate. Time for toast and roast, all thanks to Walmart Plus. And I hope that you have cherished memories with your family for years to come with this delicious mocktail that you all enjoy. Do you guys hear the bells? It's time to head out. Happy holidays. Wait for me.